So that was our return to the mattress factory. Now, we are going to return to Randyland. So Courtney can see it for the first time. I conquered my fears. I don't know why, it just kind of felt unsettling a little bit at first. But like, when I was with someone else. How you guys doing? When I was with another person, I was fine.
You always psych yourself up?
Probably. But now I kind of want to read what it's about. Well, that was a fun evening, wasn't it? Now we're going to go to Randyland.